All right, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We've got some serious squeaking going in the front passenger tire area. So we're gonna take the tire off and see what we can get freed up. In the UTV world, we do have this expandable lug wrench breaker bar from TUSK. I'm gonna use it to see if I can make it work with the Jeep, see if it's strong enough, see if it's got the right sizes I need so I can have something nice and compact out on the trail. Let's see how it does. Okay, so I've got it expanded out. Give you some leverage with the breaker bar. It does come with a 14, 17, and a 19. Not gonna work with our keyway for our wheels, so we'll go get a correct socket. All right, we got our 22 millimeter to go over our keyway, and there's plenty of leverage to get those broke free. So I think we're winning so far. As you can see, we've got some pretty serious drag and squeak in there from our off-roading adventures. We'll get this baby cleaned out. All right, we got the tire taken off, and if you peek up in there, you can see that big old rock that's wedged itself up in there. That one was not going to come out on its own. There's the culprit, making a hellacious noise, that's for sure. Just too big, got wedged in there to free itself out between the protector and the actual rotor itself. Overall, I think it's a keeper. It is adjustable, giving you that leverage. It's collapsible to save you the space. Seems pretty heavy duty. Glad we tested it out because we needed a bigger socket. 2 thumbs up, available at Big Pine Sports and our sister store, RuthlessMotorsports.com. We'll post up a link below. Have a great day, everybody.